Step 1. Once you receive your package from Big Power Water containing your RVRO, open it up to inspect the contents. Included is the RO base with 4 pre-attached stages of filtration, 1 water station with a basic RVRO purchase or 2 tanks if you purchase the additional water station, 4 colored hoses, 1 dual split faucet connection, 2 water shutoff valves, and the in-motion security straps. The first thing you will need to do is to identify the compartment in your RV that you will be installing your RVRO unit. It's important to pick a storage location on the driver's side, close to your RV site's water connection. Ours are identified here, circled in red. Connect your water line to your RV as you normally would when docking at a site. Then install the included dual split faucet connection on the RV site's water source by twisting it on. After that, you can then install the RV's water line to the gold side of the dual split faucet connection. Let's pause for a moment to understand how to operate the shutoff valves on the dual split faucet connection. Right here in this picture, the RV is connected by the white water hose. This valve is set to the on position. The other side of the dual split faucet connection is set to the off position. Think of the valve as an arrow that controls which way the water flows. When it is pointed toward the connected hose, it is on. Now let's place the RVRO unit into the selected storage compartment. For today's install, we're going to be using the in-motion security straps to secure the unit to the vehicle. Simply secure the strap on both sides of the RVRO unit using the included screws. Be sure that the unit is snugly inside the straps and that there isn't unnecessary slack. Next up, we're going to be connecting the inlet and drain lines to the RO unit. Go ahead and unbundle your white and black hoses. Then we're going to simply insert one end of the hose into the correct opening located on the left side of the RO. You will want to grab the hose and push it firmly into the unit until you feel a slight click. You should be able to gently pull straight out on the hose without it coming out of the unit if properly installed. This shutoff valve works like the last one. Point it in line like an arrow with the water line to turn the water on. Let's take the other end of that inlet line and insert it into the left side of the dual split faucet connection located at the RV's water hookup. This will work the same way. Firmly push it in until it locks into place and then give it a gentle tug to be sure it's inserted correctly. Now it's time to use the yellow and blue water lines to connect the RO to the water stations. Insert these water lines into the RO the same way. Take your water station and insert the opposite end of the water line into the water station insertion point. If you only have one water station, be sure that whichever water line is not connected, that the shutoff valve is set to the off position to avoid leaking water. Take the black water line and set the end that is not connected to the system either in the grass, under the RV, or down a drain pipe if you are located close to one. The drain line will dispense dirty water to wherever you place it. With the water turned on, allow your water stations to fill up. We've included an automated fill detector in the water station to shut off the water flow when your tank is filled. This will allow you to fill your water overnight or while away from the RV site. When your station is full, use the shutoff valve on the corresponding hose and set it to the off position. Then disconnect the water line and take your water station inside your RV to the fridge or wherever you wish to dispense the drinking water. When it's time to replace the filters, simply pull forward and twist clockwise to undo and remove. Take the new filter and insert, twisting counterclockwise to install. Repeat for all 4 stages. To remove a water line, use 2 fingers to push in on the white circle surrounding the water line and simultaneously pull the water line out of the unit. Thanks for purchasing the Big Power Water RVRO. If you have any questions about your system, please visit bigpowerwater.com. If you love your RVRO system, leave us a good review on Google. Enjoy clean water wherever you go.